Hello friends, welcome again. This is my new project, online shopping system. I have developed this project in MERN stacks. MERN means M for Mongo, E for Express, R for React and then Node, N for Node. So this technology stack we have developed for developing this project. So this is a responsive theme but not fully responsive. We have used latest bootstrap libraries. So this technology stacks item MERN like a stacks like a MERN, Mongo Express, React and Node we have used. There are two types of role available inside the project. First one is admin and second one is customer. So this is a major project. Admin can perform a certain operation and the customer can order the products. So this is a for a single website shop, not for multiple. In this project online shopping system, if you run this project, so this is a home page. Some items are coming from the database or some is static content which are available. You can see this is about page, about us page. You can see this is a static page. You can change all the content from the database. Sorry, about us page. This is a all category listing page. You can see this is a dynamic page which are coming from the database. You can add the number of categories from the database or a admin panel. This is a all products page. You can see all the products are coming from the database. This is also a dynamic page. You can add the number of items from the database or a admin panel. This is a registration page. User can register here, and this is a login page. Without login you can't access the internal page. So user ID is for admin@gmail.com and the password is test. Now click on the submit button. Oh, this is an admin dashboard. You can see all the things from here, like you can see product report. All the product report are visible. You can edit and delete from here. If you click on edit button, then you can see the product report will be visible in a edit format. Now click on the category report. You can see all the category report. Also from edit and delete from here. And this is a customer report. You can see all the customer report, and here you can edit and delete easily from here. Now this is a add product form. Here admin can easily add the new product from the product entry form. Same for add category. Here admin can easily add the new category from the category form. You can add the number of category and this is the order management. Here you can see all the order reports. Here you can see all the details about the order. You can see from the order report, and same for the logout. You can log out from here. So this is all about the admin panel. Now access the customer panel. Click on the email is the customer@gmail.com and the password is test. Now click on the submit button. You can see this is a user dashboard. This is a home. This is a all products. You can see all the products which are coming from the database. Now click on the add to cart. If you want to buy this leather shoes, you can select the quantity. If you want to, then you click on the add to cart. You can see the total units too, at amounts get calculating automatically. Then proceed to checkout. You can see the make payment page. This is a dummy page, not real payment gateway. in this page. You can see, you can add the number of any card number. You can add like this, select card type, anything, expire year 2024 and the month is October, and click on the submit. You can see your payment has been done, and this is the order summary. You can also print receipt from here. So like this, if you want to add to cart, click on the add to cart. You can see your cart products which are available, which you can add in your cart. Then you can see from the my cart options, and this is a my order. You can see all your order details. If you want to click this, you want to see the order details about this order, you can see your order details. And this is a my account option. Here user can easily update his account, and this is a logout option page. So this is all features we have developed inside the project. So we have developed two different types of view for the managing the whole project. If you need any type of enhancement, any features, just put it into the comment box. We will develop the new project according to your requirements. So please don't forget subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.